we'll get you the visuals of Messi. He is supposed to go to Arun Jaitley Stadium. Oh, in fact, he is there. You can see him interacting with fans on the field. Karishma, get us the on-field action. Over to you.
Well, yes, absolutely, Priya. This is a huge, huge moment for all the Messi fans. The stadium is packed. It is about 22,000 people in this 35,000 capacity stadium. And you can see the live visuals on your screen. And I can also describe it for you. There are two practice grounds that have been made on this stadium. Messi at this point in time is taking a lap of honor, and he is kicking footballs to all the spectators that have arrived here. When he came in here, there were only chants of Messi, Messi, Messi that one could hear. And this is exactly what's happening inside the stadium right now. He's visiting each and every stand on his way, and he is throwing footballs into the crowd as well. And the crowd, of course, very, very happy with this visit of Lionel Messi, and he's shaken hands as well with both the teams that played the football match here at the stadium. Currently, he is continuing with that lap of honor, is what I can tell you at this moment. He is continuing with that lap of honor here. He is now moving on to the ground, onto the football ground, the makeshift football ground. He is group. Right now, I believe the fans that are present with the football team that played the match. So he is into the football ground. He is, I think, going to be taking some shots as well. And yes, of late, he's just been kicking balls into the ground, into the crowds as well, so that they can also have a memory of Lionel Messi being in Delhi, of being here at the Firoz Shah Kotla. He's now expected. He's now playing with the football, as we see on our screens. He's playing with the kids as well. He is there in a very bright pink T-shirt. And he is right now playing with the kids. He is, giving them memories of a lifetime that they are going to be cherishing for a very, very long time. I am describing what I'm seeing in the ground right now. He's there in the temporary football ground that has been made here at the Firoz Shah Kotla, and he is enjoying his time with the kids. The kids, I believe, are dressed in his Argentina jersey as well, and he's now playing with them, having some time with the kids, spending some time with the kids, and he is playing with them. And even Luis Suarez has joined Lionel Messi. Rodrigo de Paul also there with Lionel Messi in the ground, and the kids having fun, enjoying with the three football stalwarts, and also Messi showing them some tricks as well. So this is, like I said earlier, going to be a memory of a lifetime for all these kids who are currently playing with Lionel Messi, and he's spending a good amount of time with them. He is also enjoying with them at this point in time, and he is showing them some tricks as well. Luis Suarez also, enjoying his time at the ground here. Luis Suarez, in fact, went viral yesterday when a teenage girl in Mumbai did something called nutmeg with Suarez. He was also surprised. Nutmeg is wherein the ball goes between both his legs. That is, he wasn't prepared for a teenage girl doing that in Mumbai to him. So the footballers have been having a lot of fun in the Hyderabad tour. Then, of course, Mumbai, and now the concluding leg of this tour, which is Delhi. And as we speak, the footballers continue to be on the football ground. They are playing with the kids. They are spending some quality time with these kids. Like I said, Lionel Messi there in a very bright pink jersey, and laughing and smiling and having these memories with the kids as well.
And imagine the kind of bragging rights each one of those kids on the field are now going to go back with. But also one can't but help compare with what happened in Kolkata to what is happening in Delhi right now. A complete contrast. This is how things should have been even in Salt Lake Stadium, what we see right now in Arun Jaitley Stadium. Thank you, Karishma, for joining us with those details. Time for us to take a very quick breather.